Okay, Lucy, come on. Oops. Come on, bring those legs up. Uh-oh, bring those legs up, girl. You got tired? Bring those legs up. What is she doing? Bring those legs up. Come on. Yeah. Bring those legs up. Come on. I think she's tired. Bring those legs up. There you go.
Hey, doing good.
Bring those legs up, girl. Come on. Here, you gotta get closer. What are you doing? Oh, she got into the blocks. Hey, oh, that was a good squat. Oh, sorry. That's Daddy's fault. Come on. Come on, bro. You gotta straighten up. Straighten up. She doesn't want to do it. She just wants to look at the blocks. Those feet are like stuck to the ground now. Are you done, little girl?